Hello and Aslama everyone. Today we are going to learn how to talk about a calm daily routine, what many people online call the soft life in Arabic. On the screen you will see three things: modern standard Arabic, Tunisian Arabic and English. Don't worry if Arabic feels new, we'll go slowly and you will follow step by step. And more people today choose calm over stress. In Arabic, you'll often see short, simple sentences that express peace, balance, and self-care. Let's start with a few soft life ideas. Take your time, breathe, and let's learn. Sentence number 1. I wake up early. This is a very common daily routine phrase in Arabic. It's useful in both modern standard Arabic and Tunisian Arabic. In Tunisian, I say نفيق بكري, and in Arabic I say أستيقظ باكرا. Now, sentence number 2, I drink coffee. Coffee is very important in Arabic culture, especially in the morning. I drink coffee in Tunisian is نشرب قهوة, and in standard Arabic is أشرب قهوة. Now let's have a little bit of self improvement, and we choose I read a book. This is a great verb to learn because you can change the object later. Instead of saying book, you can use newspaper, message, etc. So أقرأ كتابا, or in Tunisian نقرأ كتاب, or نقرأ رسالة, or نقرأ جريدة, newspaper, etc. Now this is a very soft life sentence. I am calm. In Arabic, this expression is often used to describe your emotional state. If you are calm, relaxed, or peaceful. أنا هادئ. In Arabic and in Tunisian, almost the same. أنا calm or أنا هادي. Now, if we are gonna start our days, we're gonna say أبدأ يومي or أبدأ نهاري. And in Tunisian we say نبدأ نهاري بالهدوء. Now you can listen and practice by yourself. In English it is I wake up early, I drink coffee, I read a book, I start my day calmly. In standard Arabic we say أستيقظ مبكرا, أشرب القهوة, أقرأ كتابا, أبدأ يومي بهدوء. In Tunisian dialect we say نفيق بكري, نشرب قهوة, نقرأ كتاب, نبدأ نهاري بهدوء. And then the comments tell me how is your routine and which sentence you're gonna use right here. Thank you very much for tuning in, and great job. I'll see you in the next Arabic lesson.